So I haven't seen these yet. It's got Gygax Dangerous Journeys, book 1. I don't know how I'm going to do this because I haven't practiced. Now these will go on the website after I've done Dungeon Mags and Forgotten Realms novels. Ooh! How cool. So I'll keep that there because I'm obsessive. So sorry if everyone's dizzy. I'll come back and do a little pan after. This is Game Designers Workshop. Ooh, Hero Quest. So I love this. I was a bit attracted to this because of the, this is a Valhalla sticker. So it's come from Victoria and it's coming back to WA. And I can't see, there's no Valhalla actual sticker on the inside. But this is Doug's sticker. This is his handwriting, I recognise it. Now we've got a sup for Blood Shadows. So I really, really wanted this source book. Now we've got Unhallowed, it's hardcover. There's a revised version. I'm running out of room. Don't want to put this hardcover on all the other things, so hang on. It's a bit dangerous. We're just going to have to do that. I'll move it in a sec. So, hang on. Just have to be careful of that mod. We'll just put it on the Dangerous Journeys one. That's super lovely. I haven't seen this. I've had a look. Oops, I heard it creak, which I don't really want. I should have had a book pillow or whatever they're called. Really nice. Wow. All right, love that. There's more Dangerous Journeys. So we're missing the Egypt campaign one, and we'll probably separate these because I know a guy who wants book 1, hopefully, and the Game Master screen. So there we go. Thanks so much, Jim. They're fab.